These are the 5 most popular dishwashers for May of 2026. In 5th is KitchenAid. In 4th is GE. In 3rd is Café. In 2nd is Miele. And in 1st is Bosch. Before we send it to John to break down these results and give you the most popular model within each one of these brands, I want to remind you to stick around for the end because we give you the most important do's and don'ts before you buy your next dishwasher.
All right, look, no disrespect to the market, right? The dishwasher market, but this category really comes down to 2 brands, and it's Bosch and it's Miele. And honestly, they've been in this nonstop battle for dishwasher supremacy for years now. And quite frankly, they both deserve it. But the way I look at it, I think is actually pretty simple. If your number one priority in buying and purchasing a dishwasher is dry dishes, Bosch wins. And it's because of crystal dry. So that means you have to get up to the 800 series in order to take advantage of that. Bosch uses a mineral, and it's a natural mineral. It's called zeolite that absorbs moisture and releases heat during the drying process. What that means for you is that your dishes, especially plastics, come out dramatically drier without needing a giant exposed heating element like dishwashers of old at the bottom of the dishwasher. That's a huge deal because one of the biggest frustrations people still have with dishwashers is opening the door and finding water sitting all over cups and containers at this point. Bosch solved that problem better than anybody else has. If your focus is on basically anything else, I think Miele wins. And we're talking about cleaning performance, sanitization, engineering, longevity, consistency, wash quality. I honestly think Miele is the best dishwasher manufacturer on the planet from a pure dishwashing standpoint, okay? That reputation is very real and it's very well earned. The only thing that slows Miele down for some customers is their European rack design, right? It's a true European dishwasher, so the racks are designed differently than a lot of American dishwashers. So that means that there's a lot of people out there that immediately feel like they're losing some usable space that they desire. So whether that actually impacts them long term really depends entirely, I would argue, on what they're washing, but it absolutely becomes part of the conversation. But to me, Bosch and Miele are the clear separators here in this category, and I think they will be for, you know, a long period of time. Everybody else is just fighting for third place.
Before you shop for a dishwasher, here are the biggest do's and don'ts that'll save you a lot of frustration later. Do pay attention to drying performance. A lot of dishwashers clean well now, but drying is where the bigger differences usually show up, especially with plastics. That's why a lot of newer drying technologies show up in this category now. Don't assume that quiet automatically means better. At this point, most premium dishwashers are already pretty quiet. Once you get into the low to mid 40 decibel range, the difference becomes much harder to notice in real life. A lot of customers obsess over sound, but they'll barely notice the difference day to day. Do look closely at rack layout. Some dishwashers simply fit plates, bowls, water bottles, and cookware better than others. The more flexibility, the better. Don't shop dishwashers based solely on cycle count. A lot of customers get overwhelmed by special modes, extra cycles, and smart features. Really, most people end up using the same 1 to 2 cycles most of the time anyways. Focus more on cleaning, drying, and usability. Do understand panel readiness if you want a hidden look. A lot of customers assume every dishwasher can disappear into cabinetry the same way. It's just not true. Some are panel ready, some are not. Some require additional accessories. Know that before shopping. Don't ignore installation requirements. Dishwashers are one of the most installation-sensitive appliances in the kitchen. Electrical, water lines, drain setup, cabinet opening size. A bad install can absolutely hurt performance, noise, and long-term reliability. And if you want to learn more about steel cod and where we get our data, click here. And remember, when you're ready for some expert help for your appliance purchasing decisions, click in the description below. Thanks for watching.